Taurians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the coming week. Let's see what messages do we get, whether love or career or money, whatever we get, we take. Let's see what the tarot has to say. Alright. So I see your energy very clearly, Queen of Pentacles. You have been expecting a lot. What you don't see is a Page of Pentacle, a new offer coming towards you. And you are already in a very happy space. You know what you deserve. You have been in this space for quite some time now, but you are walking away. You finally decided to walk away from something because I think yes, you have been in this energy, but you haven't been able to take action towards it. You know, you've not been able to do that, which you will be able to do very soon. Let me clarify. The Queen of Pentacles. Yes, so this energy has happened after the Tower moment, which I think you deserve. Like I said, you deserve more. You fought for your rights, you fought for your happiness, and you have juggled. You have juggled a lot between people who have, not very honest with you. You have, given your best, and that's how you finally like cut the bullshit out of your life, and finally you're in a state where you know what you want and you deserve. Clarifying the Nine of Pentacles, we get Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and communication offers, money offers, love offers, more better offer than you are right now. So like I said, I always believe the moment you change your energy, universe quickly picks up on that and give you offers as per that. So you have done that, you have done your hard work, you have done your homework, Taurans, and I think this is what you're getting. You will be getting a lot of communication, a lot of offers coming for you from all directions. Let me see what you're walking away from here. Toxicity, cutting the crap, cutting the bullshit, and going into nirvana stage, going into happiness stage, focusing on your family, or wanting a family or a commitment. If you are in a not a committed state, because I see some people juggling third party. But I feel that you are out of that energy. You're walking away from toxicity. You're cutting the crap out, and you're walking away into very good energy, which is Ten of Cups, fulfillment, abundance, love, peace of mind, happiness. Let me clarify with 3 more cards. So yes, so this walking away, because somebody is holding on to you, whether it's your workplace or some person is holding very tightly to you, and they won't let you go away without a fight. I can clearly tell you, walking away won't be easy for you, but I think you're doing the right thing. Do that. Just by all means, please go ahead and do whatever you have thought about, because I think you're on the right track. Let me clarify with Major Arcana cards. Yeah, so 3 cards. The Hanged Man, the Emperor, and the Tower. So yes, the Emperor is again your energy, where you feel this is what I deserve. Enough of licking people's ass and being a yes man, and just keeping everybody happy around me when I am not happy myself. So okay, other cards, right? I just got OCD. Anyway, so the Hangman is your changed perspective. You're looking things from a different perspective and realizing, oh my god, I have been putting up with all this for so long, and why should I do that anymore? So yes, you are coming out of it. There's a huge Tower moment. Like I said, wherever you're walking away from won't be easy. People are holding tight to you. Even if it's toxic, people really want you around, because that's the kind of energy that you ooze out. So don't be afraid of that. Let it happen. Be strong, and don't deviate from what you've decided. I think you're on the right path. Like I said, just go. For those of you looking for love messages, let me get some love messages for you. I heart you. There is somebody around you who really is into you. I think this person is what you have decided for. What would love do? So right now, like I said, if walking away is difficult, what would love do? Think and decide. Something good is hidden. Something good is hidden which you can't see right now in the situation that you're in. Like I said, this walking away won't be easy. So the good is hidden, which you don't see. Just like I said, you're on the right path, which you got the green signal from the tarot also. Go ahead. Do what you're doing. I think you're walking towards love, walking towards, a very lovely energy, whether in terms of love or in terms of career choices. Let's see how you can handle this situation. So yeah, so when you're cutting people out, a for some people it's advisable to take expert advice. For some people it's advisable to be modest and don't act greedy. Don't behave greedy. You are not greedy, but sometimes that's the energy that is put out. And just tell the other person that you're not walking away for greed. You're just walking away because you deserve better. And be modest. Don't hurt somebody while doing this. And yes, ask people around you who you feel you can take counseling from. It could be friends, it could be a formal advice, or it could be just two friends talking. So just take that, listen to what people have to say. Expert is somebody who understands you actually, as per me. So do that, and you're on the right track. And I'm wishing you all the best for the time to come. And if you liked this reading, do hit a like, and we'll meet very soon. Bye bye.